Okay, so just one of me quick preliminary tests here, because this is definitely the first time I will have tested this particular microphone. So what it is, I've just done some butchering today. So I got myself me XM8500, which is the Behringer, and I got this Fifine, is this the 669D, I think it is. And what I've done, I've swapped the capsules over. So the capsule that was in the 8500 is now in here and vice versa. So the reason why I've done this is because I like the sound of the Behringer, but I much prefer these types of bodies for, like, you know, the end address type microphones for doing podcasty, vloggy type stuff, or pieces to camera like I'm doing right now. So hopefully I've not destroyed the sound, or rather, hopefully the repositioning of the capsule hasn't destroyed the sound on the Behringer's capsule going into the Fifine. The thing is, the Fifine mic here, it's just a bit too bright for my particular voice, so it's not something that I could use on a regular basis. However, the capsule from the Behringer is really good as far as I'm concerned, you know, for its price and all that. So hopefully pairing it up with this body is going to be doing something really good. Anyway, I'll just leave it at that for this particular test, only because I've not heard it yet. This could be garbage. Now, if I have put it up as one of my prelims, if you've come across it, let me know in the comments what you think, and I'll do another video about it, maybe try and set it up a bit better. The only thing is here, I've still not even tested it for plosives and stuff like that. Could be plosiving all over the place. Hopefully it's not, so I'll do some more testing, you know, with foam filters and all that. Anyway, yeah, if anyone's come across it, let me know what you think in the comments below. I'm David Harry. Thank you very much for watching this video. Take care and goodbye now.